Chapter 15. Local Administration. Introduction to the chapter. India is a country of villages. There are many villages, towns and cities. A number of people live here. They have some basic needs. Their basic needs cannot be fulfilled by one person. So this work is done by a group of people. This group is called Panchayat in villages and Municipal Committee in cities. Matters that concern the whole country are looked after by the central government. The state government looks after the matters concerning the states. Villages and towns have their own problems. Officers sitting of distant places cannot take care of the local needs of people of villages and in far-off towns. The local needs of people in villages looked by the Gram Panchayat. Gram Panchayat. Most people in India live in villages. Every village in India has a village panchayat or Gram Panchayat. Panchayat means a body of 5 persons. Each of these is called a Panch. The head of a Gram Panchayat is called Sarpanch or Pradhan. The Panchas are elected by the villagers through voting every 5 years. Every person who is 18 years or above has a right to vote. There must be at least one woman member out of 5 Panchas. The members of the Gram Panchayat meet regularly to plan schemes for the welfare of the village and to look after the needs of the people. Functions of Gram Panchayat. The main functions of the Gram Panchayat are: to keep the village clean, water supply for the village, digging of wells and maintaining ponds. The Gram Panchayat makes community development programs with the help of the villagers. Buildings and repairing of roads and streets. Dispensaries to look after the sick and for vaccination against several diseases. Lighting of the streets and roads. To look after the education of the children and adults of the village. The Panchayat acts as a small court also. It settles small disputes among the villagers. It can impose fines on the defaulting party but cannot send anyone to jail. Municipal Committee. In cities, the local body that takes care of the needs and problems of the people is called Municipal Committee. The members of the Municipal Committee are called Municipal Councillors. These members are elected for 5 years who are 18 years and above from different wards of the town. The number of municipal councillors depends on the population of the town. There may be 15 to 60 members in a municipality. The municipal committees in big cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, etc. are called municipal corporations. The members are called corporators. The head of the corporation is called mayor. Functions of Municipal Committee. The main functions of the Municipal Committee are: it keeps the city neat and clean. It keeps the streets and roads well lit at night. It arranges the supply of clean drinking water. It sets up public hospitals for men and animals. It runs schools and libraries in the town. A large amount of money is needed to do all these things. The municipality raises funds through taxes on houses, water and electricity. It builds and repairs the roads. It sets up adult education centers, especially for the poor. Tax is also taken from other places. The state government also gives funds to the municipal committees. We must be good citizens and do our duty by keeping the village, town or city we live in clean. We must pay our taxes regularly too.